Guys, we'll be starting in 2 minutes. Everybody smash the like button. The more likes we have, the sooner I'll get started. Give me 1 second, but we will be starting very shortly. I missed you guys so much. Okay, guys, I'm here. I'm ready to go. How is everyone doing today? We are going to be starting now. Everybody, hit the like button. Let's go. Let's get to 30 likes before the stream starts. That would be hype. Let's do it. Oh man, it's been a little while, I guess. Just under a week, I think. All right, once we get to 30 likes, we'll start the stream. Boom, 30 likes, baby. Good job, guys. All right, let's start today's stream. You guys ready? You guys ready? Watch this. Bam. We're here. We're in it. And let me pull up chat. Let me just pull up chat and then we will get started. Oh, look at this, guys. What's this? Is that the Boundless Game Jam? Looks like it. Guys, the jam starts in just under 6 days. So if anybody wants to join, the link is tagged in the live chat. So yeah, it's a great opportunity to either get started in making games, or you know, if you're looking to test your skills, maybe win some prizes. Yeah, just join. We want to get to at least 250 by the end of today. Also, final thing before we get started, guys, how many members are we in the Discord server? How do you look that up? Members? No. Member count. There we go. Member count. We are at 986 members, so hopefully by the end of today's stream, we'll pass 1,000 members on the Discord server, which would be like super hype. That would be sick. Hi, YouTube. What's up, cool guy? All right, I'm going to name off everybody in my chat. I'm going to get rid of all this stuff. But today, we're going to be doing a chill stream. We're going to be working on some game development stuff, so some art. But we're also going to be working on some actual like game dev, because it doesn't happen too often. But, you know, I need to get some stuff done. Demo's coming out soon. So, you know, we got to prepare for that. So there's just a few little things that we have to do. I have to work on some new monster orbs. For the game, and then we're also going to be doing we're going to be creating a monster hopefully on stream today, hopefully, if we have enough time. But there's also a few other little things that I want to get done that I don't have on the list today. So we'll see if you guys behave, maybe we'll make a monster. But anyway, so I'm going to close this stuff down, guys. Make sure to join if you want to join. But yeah, I'm going to be closing this down now. Okay, so hold up. What was I doing? I was doing some stuff before we started the stream. So I just need to create a new sound effect, and I'm just trying to get in all of the music into the game, at least the ones that we need for the demo. So that should be good. Anyway, let me not name off everybody in my chat. At least over the past like 20 seconds. Sunshine the Maw, what's going on, man? Skyvenger Studios, how we doing? Cool Guy, Teddy T, Rider Studios, Marsario, I can never pronounce that name. Smart Art, what's going on, man? Ishan. There's 2 Ishans in this chat right now. That's crazy. Mickey, what's going on, man? Arjun, Aaron, Smart Art, again, Mashup Games, Undertale Sands, Ober Noir. I don't know why you guys have these crazy ass names, but it's all good. JD Parker, what's going on, man? Tony Dev, Eddie, Emerald Falcon, Noam. I love all the hello messages. Thanks, guys. Devin, Nuria, Sufer, Mr. Schnelby, Schnebly for sure. Goob, thanks, man. Jaren, Sheer, Zach, Studio Ruins, Kai Tachi. Okay, I think we got most of the people that were present. Alpha, oh man, Alpha, dude. Alpha's been so consistent on the Discord server, it's crazy. But anyway, hold on. Let me just try to get these sound effects in, and then I'll read. I think somebody had a question, so I'm gonna go back up for a sec. Mashup Games. Reece, you're probably the only person I know to host a game jam where there's actually a prize. Yeah, it's because I want to give back to my community. I love you guys, and you supported me through the Kickstarter recently, so I got to give back. So yeah, it's just small little prizes, but it's just out of pocket. I wanted to do some kind of little prizes just for fun and to give back. I love you guys. So Ishan asks, hey Reece, I have a question. I just finished the Brackeys Unity tutorial series. Should I join the game jam? Absolutely, dude. Absolutely. Only if you have time, but yes, I would definitely recommend you joining the game jam, man. You know, even if you're like, I'm trying to emphasize, like, this is supposed to be very beginner friendly. Like, you know, if you guys are doing game dev for a long time, that's awesome. And I'm super excited to see what you put out there. But if you've never made a game, like, that's why I wanted, the game jam's a week long. It's 7 days. So you can, you know, do it over the weekend. You can do it over some weekdays. You can take the 7 days if you really want to and just work, you know, an hour a day. Just take it easy. Do whatever you want. But this is supposed to be just for fun, for the community to get together and have a good time. The theme is going to be pretty, I think it's pretty original. I think that we can really like go far with the idea because it's very broad. But at the same time, because of how the theme works, everybody's game is going to like you have to follow the theme because it's a very, very precise theme. And the reason that I'm doing this theme, which obviously I haven't announced it yet, the theme will be announced when the game jam starts, but I will be making a video and having all of your games, or at least as many as I possibly can get in there. At least the top 50, very least. I'll be having all of your games like in this video. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. And yeah, spoil it? Absolutely not, dude. I can't. Oh man. I love this. You guys are making me excited for this game jam. Okay, hold up. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know if you can hear the music playing, like not the chill hop, like the actual game sounds. Okay, but anyway, so I think we have this stuff in the game now. I'm just gonna make sure that this is set. I think I have to actually reset GameMaker because then the audio will actually play through on there. Spoil it for us, please. I will not spoil it. Any leakers? No, absolutely not. I haven't told anybody the Game Jam theme. The only person that knows the Game Jam theme is my brother. I think that's the only person that knows the theme. So I'd love to participate, but I'm too lazy to learn programming. Dude, it's all right. It's all good. Guys, come on. Let's hit that like button. Let's get this party started. The more likes we have, the more people get shared the stream so we can have more friends in here. But yeah, so I'm very excited. Sufer, any leakers? Dude, no leakers for the game jam. Get a team. Yeah, that's true. Like you guys can team up if you want as well. I know a lot of people that are asking for teammates and stuff. So, I mean, you can just go on the page, right? You can just go to Boundless Game Jam. And then you can just start a community tab. 246. You guys are sick. We're almost there. We're almost at 250. I want at least 250 by the end of today's stream. But yeah, so if you go to community, if you go to the community tab, you can start a community post, new topic, and you can, ask people for a team. Like Cool Guy, he said he was looking for a team, and he had a few people talk to him on there. So, just get involved with the community, make friends. That's what this is for. So yeah, Shotgun Flame as well. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited. I think the video is gonna do I think the video will be really cool. So yeah, I'm excited to make this video on the game jam, because it's gonna be about the idea behind the video is the fact that there's gonna be a ton of games built around this one theme, and so we're just gonna really go into it and explore some of the really inventive games made in this game jam. And I think it'll be a really cool video, so hopefully it does well, hopefully it performs well, but regardless, I think it'll be a good watch. So okay, so right now I'm putting in all the music in the game file. So we're just gonna basically play the background music. And then, I think we stop all the audio, but I could be wrong. Isto, man, he's back at it. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yeah, I love Steven, man. I was watching Steven's premiere, Isto Inc. They're just premiering their new video. Just watching that, but had to stream. How does your brother help with Monster Tribe? He does most of the coding, Skybender. So I feel like at this point, there's just too much art going on. So yeah, at this point, it's pretty I'm not doing too much of the coding at this point. Now I'm starting to get back into coding a little bit, which is fun. I took 3 or 4 months where I just didn't really do any coding at all. I was just specifically doing art, marketing, and setting up all the business stuff. But now that stuff's starting to simmer down, I can actually focus on at least doing a little bit of stuff coding wise, which is fun. So why do you not have an audio controller? Yeah, I probably should. I think I'm gonna update that, but we're just trying to do things quickly for the demo, because we just want the demo finished and ready to go. So yeah, I definitely make an audio controller object for sure. But right now this is fine. So we're just waiting for the game to load, and then we can hopefully see the game. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, by the way, please make sure to ping me in the chat so I can see your questions. And yeah, hold up. Why is the sharpness like this? Oh my god. Let me fix my camera real quick. It's so sharp. Hold on, let me fix that. Is that better? That looks better to me. The camera looks more clear now. It was the sharpness was so high. That was kind of silly. Anyway, where's the game? Let's make the theme for the jam. Bargy is great. Absolutely not. Bargy sucks. Bro, I was supposed to send you that video on Sunday, but I'm still editing it. It's all good, man. Do you have any suggestions for how to start game dev on GameMaker? GameMaker, there's definitely a lot of cool tutorials and stuff for GameMaker. I personally learned GameMaker just through YouTube tutorials. So people like Heartbeast and Sean Spalding, I feel taught me most of what I know. I would just say, honestly, enter some game jams, make some small prototypes. When you're starting game development, don't focus on building a complete finished commercial game for your first try, for your first go. That's not what it's about, really. Like, I think you're constantly going to learn a ton throughout, you know, developing. And so I would honestly say, at least for the first like year or two, just focus on your skills and just have fun with it. Don't take it too seriously. And yeah, like, don't put yourself in a box. Don't work on a game for 2 years if you've never worked on a project before, because at the end of it, you're going to have such a bigger range of skills that, like, the base of what the game was is just not going to be at your full potential. So yeah, just focus on, you know, I don't know why the game's lagging so much. I guess I have a lot of tabs open. But yeah, anyway, so what was I testing? I was going to test the music. I don't think I can hear any music though. Let's see. Hold up. Yeah, I don't hear any music. Oh, whoops. Anyway, hold up. Guys, there's been so much added to this game. And I wish I could show you it all, but I kind of want to leave it. There's going to be a new devlog coming out soon, so I don't want to spoil too much. But damn it, this is the one place I didn't want to go into. God damn it. Okay, we got to restart. Anyway, this should work. If we're in the room hub, this should work. Hold up, let me I'm gonna pause chill hop, and I'm gonna see if maybe the volume is just really quiet. So let me pause chill hop for a second, and let's see if we can hear the music. Let me get my chat back up. I miss you guys. Where are we at? Alexio, what's going on? We can hear music? Yeah, but like, you can hear the chill hop music, but I don't know if the game music is playing right now. So I'm just gonna mute chill hop for a quick second. Come on. Yes. I hear it. It's super quiet. Can you guys hear that? Can you guys hear the game? The story has been spoiled. Not playing it anymore. Yo, Mickey, relax, man. His tabs consist of... Hold up. Let me see. Is this going to be a roast? His tabs consist of Boundless Game Jam, Boundless Game Jam, Boundless Game Jam. Yeah, pretty much. Jeffrey, how you doing, man? Welcome. Turn off the chill hop. Yes, I can hear it. I can hear it. All right, cool. Nice. Yeah. So you guys want to see something? I didn't want to show you guys. All right, everybody smash the like button, because I'm about to show you guys so much crap that hasn't been shown off yet, you know? But we're gonna go through it. We're gonna go through the changes. I'm definitely gonna hold some stuff back for the devlog. There will be a devlog soon, probably next like week or 2 weeks. But yeah, there's been a lot behind the scenes. I mean, first of all, I feel like you guys can see at least a few things. Like, I changed the dust particles, so now they're more like just big like circle things. Anyway, I really like the new dust particles. I don't know, there's just something about it I really like. Then there's some particles like in the air, if you can see. You know, there's just some floating particles just to give more movement to the scene. Every location has different particle effects kind of flowing on the air. It was really cool because it's actually like moving with the camera, which I thought was interesting. I've never done particles that like move with your screen. So that was cool to figure out. Let's see here. So, oh no, I don't want to, oh God. Anyway, we can actually like, I think if we press tab, I don't know. Oh, never mind. It's alt. If we press alt, we can actually like zoom the screen out. This probably won't be in the actual game. This is just for testing purposes. But yeah, you guys can see a little bit more of the map and stuff. I'm not going to go into all the houses, but we do now have some houses, so you can actually go inside the houses and like talk to NPCs and stuff like that. Browse the bookshelves if you have some time. You might find some good info in there. Yeah, so you can actually like talk to all the NPCs. If you can see, we have an interact pop-up thing now. I've been working on this for a little bit. So basically, whenever you're near something, a little interact pop-up will pop up over your guy's head. So for example, I'm on the mining tool, so we can actually, a mining indicator opens up and we can actually just mine rocks and stuff. So I've been trying to fix some issues with some errors and stuff with that, but then let's swap to our axe right here, and then bam, the axe little icon pops up. If we're on a different tool, it actually won't pop up. So we have to be on the specific tool for the indicator to actually show up, so that you guys know, like, oh, the indicator means that I can do something. Anyway, the game is super laggy. I'm not going to actually go into this save totem menu because there's no escape function right now. So if you go into it, there's no way to back out of it. And there's still a lot to be worked on in there, but my brother's been working a lot on getting everything working with the, monsters saving their data, and you can swap monsters, get new monsters. Fusions are starting to come in the game. So a lot of stuff is happening now, which is super exciting. How about you use leaves for the background particles? I don't know. I think this is very, it's very open-ended. I can use it for a lot of different things. I'll just head into one of the TPs, and then we'll go into the other areas quickly. I'm not going to show off everything, obviously, but then we got our little fisherman guy over here. Can we fish in this water? We can. So yeah, game's really laggy. I apologize for that. That's just because I'm streaming, but yeah. So all of the, equipment stuff works, and then boom, we can go into this TP here, and we got, another guy, and we can talk to him and stuff. So yeah, a lot of stuff's going on, and it's really cool. But let's head into one of the areas. So I think this is the, I hope this is the right one. Damn it. This is not the one I wanted to go into, but. So the music didn't stop, so that's not good. We have to make sure that the music stops playing when you enter a new area. But if you guys can see, I'm not going to show you the full area because I don't want to show off everything. So I'm just going to stay here because there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Okay, so the music just got added for some reason. So now there's 2 music tracks being played right now, which is not good. But you guys can kind of hear you should be able to kind of hear the new cave sound, music. Even though it's being overlapped with the other music, so I apologize. Look at those pebbles falling, you see that? Oh my god, there's just so much music playing right now. I need to back out of the game. Jesus Christ. Okay, so let's just set a condition. So on the create event of the camera, how do we do this? Wait, hold on. Hold up, guys. Let's see. I think it's in the player object. Basically, I just want to make sure that we're not overlapping tracks, but there's certain areas that are actually split up into multiple rooms, but it's like a seamless transition. There's no loading or lag or anything, but it's technically different rooms so that we can have expansive environments without lagging the game. So yeah. Release when? So the demo is coming out. I use audio stop all. Yeah, I'm going to, but I have to make sure that it's done in the specific event. So I think it's in the player object. So let's go player. I'll put chill hop back on when we're done with this stuff. I just want to make sure that all the music is working properly. But yeah. So anyway, I'm super excited about all this stuff, guys. I'm so excited. Is there a door object? Yes. Yes. This is what we need. So we're going to do audio stop all right here. And this will solve all of our problems. So now all of our music needs are met. And then hold on. Let me check something else. For some reason, this started really late, which I don't really understand why. This started 5 seconds into being in the cave area, which doesn't really make sense to me. But yeah, I don't know what that's about. Anyway, so let's check. So in the camera event, in the begin step, if we're in, oh, that's why. I'm an idiot. Okay, cool. I'm sweet. I understand what's going on, guys. Music. This is done really poorly right now. I'll fix it soon. It's because I was doing it when the particle system triggers. So the sound didn't come on until the first set of rocks fell from the sky. But anyway, that should fix this. So basically, we're just going to do a little check here, and we're going to say if we're in the room of the cave, if the audio is not playing, we're going to play it. And yeah, so now whenever we go to a new location, this should work where, okay, I'll show you guys. I'll try to explain this properly. The name is Monster Tribe. Yes, the game is Monster Tribe, and you guys can, I see somebody saying wishlist. Yes, you can wishlist it. Type in Monster Tribe on Google. It should be the first result. Kind of a flex, not really. I'm kidding. Guys, I hate myself. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, I just popped it in the chat. You guys can check it out. The Steam page is pretty outdated. I'll have to update it soon. I'm just waiting for this demo to come out. But yes, please wishlist it. It would mean, honestly, the world to me. But yeah, if we go to... Watch, I'll show you guys. There's so many things I want to show you. Such little time. It's okay. I'll be here for a while. I'm going to be doing a long stream because people have been nagging me about doing a Monster Tribe stream. It's been a while. People keep asking me, yo, are you still working on Monster Tribe? I'm like, yes, I'm still working on the game. I promise. But anyway, so with the Monster Tribe Kickstarter, we had a backing reward tier. How many wish lists does the game have? I actually haven't checked in a while. I don't necessarily know if I want to share the number specifically. But yeah, so anyway, so above $30 Canadian, there was a beta game access tier. So everybody that wished that backed the game above the $30 price point is going to get access to the beta. If you guys want access to the beta and maybe you came after the Kickstarter, or you didn't have the funds at the time, guys, don't worry. There will be a demo at some point, but for now, this is just an alpha test. There's going to be a lot of bugs and glitches and stuff, so we don't want to open it up to the public. This is specifically for the people that, were a part of the Kickstarter and wanted this tier. But there might be some kind of way that we could get other people in. There might be just like a small fee, and you can get into the alpha test program. So I don't know. I guess just DM me on Discord or something if you guys are interested. But if not, in the next 6 months, the game will, have some kind of beta, open beta or something. But we just want to make sure that we're focusing on our Kickstarter backers first and foremost. And yeah, so the alpha test comes out June 25th. And that's what we're working on mainly, is just, getting the game to not be a buggy mess. Undertale Sands, I'm gonna go see you, man. Enjoyed the stream so far. Thank you, man. Maybe I'll see you later. If the stream gets 1 million likes, will you make it public? Yeah, sure. If it gets 1 million likes, I will make the entire game free. But anyway, so if we go to different locations, we should be able to do this now. Okay, music works. So the old music stopped playing, new music started playing. And now we're in the mines. I'm not going to explore this because I want to make sure that you guys can test this for yourselves firsthand. Yeah, you guys like my little decorations? Look, there's some stuff on the ground, And look, there's a totem over here. So if we go up to it, the caves are really dark right now, but so they actually light up. And so there's going to be some kind of dialogue event happening here, but I don't think the caves are set up properly with dialogue yet. But yeah, so that's the caves. Even though the game is extremely laggy. Sorry about that. It's what happens when you run in 1080p. Now the other music's playing, and we're just going to reset the game. There's just the one other area I want to make sure works, and then we'll just get to doing some actual development stuff. Maybe have the player glow a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have some kind of lighting on the player. Also, I think the caves in general is just going to be a lot lighter than they are right now. It's extremely dark. So we're definitely going to not have the caves so dark. But yeah. What programming language are you using? I'm using GameMaker Studios 2 for this game. I'm going to go now. I'll send the vid very soon on Discord. Also, I just wishlisted the game. Thank you, man. I appreciate that so much. What pixel art software would you recommend besides Aseprite? Besides Aseprite, I would recommend, I guess Piskel. Maybe, what's that other program called? I can't remember right now, but hold on, guys. One sec. Oh, what the hell? Why is it going so fast now? The game's not lagging anymore for some reason. Did the stream like stop? That's really weird. The game's not lagging anymore. Well, it kind of is, but it's doable. Anyway, let's go into the last area now. Whoa, why did I just get a spirit fruit from that rock? That was really weird. Okay, so we enter the new area. This area is very, very work in progress right now. Like extremely work in progress. Battles are actually disabled right now. So, yeah. Like, for example, a huge thing, like something that you'll notice right off the bat is the fact that there's no decorations in this area. I still have to decorate all of the maps. So I've only decorated the cave area and the forest area, like the village. So I have to decorate this place to make it not just this flat grass, gross, disgusting crap. But yeah, I think that the Burning Forest will be a cool area once it's like finished, but it's very work in progress right now. So, you know, don't expect a finished, you know, view of the game. Can we fish here though? We can, baby. Oh, whoops. I missed it. I'm awful. But, yeah. So, I don't want to show off everything, obviously, but it's just cool to kind of show off a little bit more of the game and whatever. We got some work in progress waterfalls right there, but unfortunately, I messed this up. So, it needs to be a form frame animation, and the animation that I made was a 5-frame animation. So, the waterfall is like super bootleg right now because the animation had to be cut halfway through. But anyway, yeah, a lot of stuff that needs to still be worked on, but I am extremely excited for this playtest and, you know, whatever. Also, technically, I know there's still particles on screen right now, but that won't ever actually happen because of the way that the game's coded. Basically, I don't know. The particles disappear when you go from area to area. It's just right now we're kind of just in the testing phase. So, but anyway, enough of showing off the game. Let's get some actual work done. You guys probably are very antsy on let's get some work done. But the game looks amazing. I love the particles. Thank you, man. I think the particles are turning out actually really nice. So, let me put chill hop back on, so we actually have some tunes going. And yeah, Leonard, are you kidding me, man? Oh my god, guys, Leonard in the chat, he's my composer, and oh my god, damn it, Leonard. Guys, I told Leonard I would show him, he's working on a new track right now, which he's been absolutely killing it. If you've been hearing the music during the live stream, obviously all of that stuff is him. And yeah, he's been killing it. But I told him I'd show him the forest area, because he's working on a track for the forest area. Because right now we have, you know, we have the burnt forest, the cave area music, the village music, but the actual clearing area we don't have yet. So, he needed some visuals. So we'll just load up the game real quick, just to give Leonard his special time, and then we'll get some work done on the game. If anyone needs help with their stories, contact me. Hector, that's sick, man. You do a lot of storytelling stuff. Anyway, Leonard, this is the forest area, man. Boom, we just entered the forest area. So, I mean, it's basically the same as the clearing, right? But it's like, it's its own zone. So, try to, I guess, use this as a reference. Right now, the battles are disabled, so I can run into as many of these orbs as I want, and they won't actually trigger a battle. Can I talk to this guy? I can. You know, if you fish in certain places, you can find some really interesting things. So again, we're going to have a lot of like tutorial stuff like throughout this alpha playtest. It's like it's its own kind of like game, I guess, because like none of these areas are actually going to exist in the real game, at least more than likely. We just kind of threw together some maps for the playtest. But yeah, so there will be a lot to explore and do in the playtest, but by no means is this like a completed, you know, thing. So anyway, this is just for Leonard, so Leonard can get some visuals on what's going on. But this is the forest area, and this is the last soundtrack that he has to work on. Why is this tree not getting cut down? Jesus, that took so long. What's in this chest? Guys, the chest broke the game. Damn it. Damn it. Hey, are the characters customizable? So we're gonna have costumes. So yeah, like the character is a set character. You know, he's his own guy and he's doing his own thing. But yeah, there will be customization options for like it's just gonna be one thing, but like with a costume change, you would change like, you know, the robe. The robe might look slightly different. You know, color changes, and then like his hair might be different as well. Usually just a lot of its color changes, but yeah. So by customization, if you mean like costume changes, then yes. But if by customization you mean like changing your character to be different people, I would say no, because our game's very like story driven. So yeah, I guess that's the issue on that. Anyway, so let's fix these monster orbs. Okay. I just gotta find where the orbs are, and then we're good to go. Okay, there we go. So I think I should export one of these. Basically there's like black orbs and there's white orbs, and then there's blue, red, and purple for the different like kinds of orbs. I'll explain it in a bit, but pretty much it's like blue, red, and purple is like the intensity. So for like battles and stuff, a blue battle would be like a basic like normal battle, a red battle would be like a hard battle, and a purple battle would be like not like a mini boss, but like a very intense battle. Like one purple battle would be like the equivalent of like 2 or 3 or maybe even 4 blue battles. Just so like it's like higher intensity yeah, fights, I guess. This looks, yeah, this is not right. Okay, I'll export this one as well. Watch this, guys. Do some magic. So we're going back into our beloved A sprite. And I'll just drag these in. So, yeah, I need to make red and purple white orbs, and I need to make a black blue orb. So this should be pretty simple. All we should have to do is basically copy these colors and change them on here. Oh god. Hold up, never mind. We're gonna have to do a little cheating. We're gonna have to change the hue. Actually, like, this doesn't really work. Like, this isn't even the right color. But I mean, it works, I guess, ish. All right, let's do some fine tuning. Let's do some fine tuning. These ones are definitely way more blue. I know it's not perfect. Hold up. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I think this is okay. So there's our black orb. What do you think is the best OST you know? Monster Tribe OST. I'm kidding. I don't know. Like I think the best game soundtrack that I've ever heard or listened to, not being biased because obviously I love the Monster Tribe track, but not including our game soundtrack. I've always been a huge fan of the Hyper Light Drifter soundtrack. I love that soundtrack. What do you know if Cody can't eat this? He's a guy and he makes games. And he usually makes 2D games into 3D. He's a really nice guy. I've talked to him a few times and he seems to be just a very genuine dude. But I've kind of stopped talking to a lot of devs, just because, you know, everyone's got their own lives and it's just a busy time right now. But yeah. Anyway, so this is our blue and black orb, and then we have to do the same thing. I'm gonna actually bring this back, and I'm gonna export the red one as well, just so I can use the proper colors. Export to PNG, and then let's drag that in here. Boom. So I think the first thing we do is we just see if we can do this easily by oh god, that didn't work. Okay. So I think what we do here is we invert the color and then slightly change it based on how these colors were. These colors definitely need to change, but damn it. Okay. Hold up. I need more of the color. Okay. We're gonna adjust the colors now. I should have zoomed in for this. I actually did that correctly. Nice. I think I'm doing it, guys. I think that works. Kind of, to an extent. I love the disaster piece from HL. Also talks about a lot of things he does when he composes. I've actually never heard disaster piece. What happened to the Dev Dumb podcast? It's coming soon. It's coming soon. How do you decide on what'll happen in the game, like gaming wise? Honestly, just, you know, thinking about, like, I don't know. I guess the idea just kind of forms over time, and yeah, so I don't know. I think it's just kind of like a lot of guesswork and kind of like working at the idea slowly over time. But yeah. Okay, sure. This is our white orb. And now let's just do the purple. I guess I should just grab these colors, or like grab this sprite and just slightly change it. I don't know why these inner ones are the same. That's annoying. That's like really frustrating. Oh my god. That's actually a nightmare. Guys, this is legit a nightmare. Tell me, I'm like, there's no way I'm doing this for all the sprites. We're just gonna reset. All right, let's go. We don't have time for this. This is nonsense. Yeah, this is nonsense. Poly Earth, what's going on, man? Does that work? I feel like that's fine. We did it, baby. Clean. All right, save as. Pink, white, or purple, white. Now we should have all of our new sprites. Sweet. Yo, Reece, what's up? Loan, what's going on, man? Ziggy Cack, welcome. Favorite Hyperlight Drifter boss? I haven't played the game a lot. I've only played it a little bit, which is like very sad. But yeah, I haven't played the game too much. I think I only beat the first like 2 bosses or something. What's your PC / laptop specs? I have no idea. I'm not much of a computer guy. I actually don't remember. I think I have a Core i5 7th gen. And then I also have 2 graphics cards in my laptop. So I have an NVIDIA, I think it's a GTX. I don't know what it is specifically, but I know I have an NVIDIA and an Intel. And I think I have 16 gigs of RAM. And I have I think it's a 500 gigabyte SSD, but that's all the specs I think I can give. I'm not a computer guy. Okay. So, whoops. Are you aware Polymars called you Reece Geo Fortnite? Yes, I am. Polymars is a character. What are today's super chatters? None today. None today. No super chatters today. Hopefully we can change that with the power of all of us here today. The 60 of us here. Maybe. Maybe. Do you think you should go to college for game dev if the college course is free where you live? Yes. If it's free, I would say definitely. Only if you want to, though. Like, I think some people learn better in like a school, like a structured environment like school, and some people work better just like doing their own thing, like following things online and whatever. So I think it's really just, it's up to you. Is it worth your time? I would say probably. If it's free, sure. But by no means do I think you need it. I'm definitely like an advocate of like always have backup options, always have like multiple things on the go. But you know, if like I don't think that you necessarily need to. For example, like I do not have a background in like a higher, what do you call it? A post-secondary. But I'm full-time doing my own thing. And will be for forever forward. So I think as long as you have a plan, then do you. Like, yeah, just do you. Hi, how are you? I'm good. And I'm new. Welcome, man. I love seeing new people on the things. What do you call it? On the, how big is the Sprite? Is it 20? 20 by 20? It's a weird one. JD Parker, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, JD Parker. Couldn't send a message. You got time now. Send a message. I see you, JD Parker. Send your message. What's your message? Let me add you to the board, man. Let me add you to the board. Give me 1 sec. Let me just import these monster orbs, and I'll get you on the board. What is happening? There we go. Okay, does that work? I think so. How many sprites is this? But yeah, guys, hype in the chat for JD Parker. Thank you for the super chat. I'll get you up on the board real soon. Let me just import all these. So that's really weird. It's a 19 by 18, 60 frames. That seems kind of strange, but sure. I think I'm gonna have to redo these at some point because I don't think it necessarily works. Like just changing the color palette like this, it looks kind of silly. But yeah. Okay, hold on. Let me add you to the board, JD. How do you keep recording volume constant? I'm recording voiceovers for my devlogs. How do you keep recording volume constant? I don't know. I mean, I think that I really just like, I use Audacity. So let me add you to the board first. JD Parker. JD Parker. Thank you so much, man. If you guys want to be up on the board, all you got to do is toss in a super chat. It's a lot to ask, but it's up to you if that's worth it or not. Anyway, so how do you keep it consistent? I feel like, honestly, I don't really do much to keep it consistent. I just talk at the same volume. And then if things get crazy out of hand, I just normalize the audio in Audacity. But yeah, I don't think I do anything crazy. Bro, strange. That looks amazing. What looks amazing? Oh, like the orbs? I don't know. I think it's kind of clunky. I think it's kind of clunky, man. So I'll probably have to redo all of them. It's just JD, by the way. JD, what's going on, man? Welcome to the pimp house of people on the board in the live stream. All right, boom, convert, bam, sexy. Oh my God, there's one frame where there's like white, like, yeah. Okay, there's 2 frames. I think that's it, but there's 2 frames where there's this like nasty green color. Nice. Guys, my allergies are kicking my ass. They're not too bad right now, but God. Yeah, this is awful. I hate this. So definitely needs a big fix. But it'll do for now. Collision mask. Are we just doing an ellipse on that? Yeah, ellipse, slow, nice. Sweet. Better than your nacho guns, lol. Thanks, man. Never gonna get over that. Thanks, dude. Poly Earth. Alpha, give Reece money. Give Reece your money. Thanks, man. Yeah. Only if you have some extra to spare. You guys do not have to super chat. I'm completely joking. Reece, what's your favorite Pokemon? I have no idea, man. That's a good question, but I literally have no idea. Let's see if I can find some that I could potentially think of as good ones. Let's see. There's too many, man. There's too many. Guys, I guess leave it in the chat. What's your favorite monster? How's Reece doing today? Thomas, how's Thomas doing today? I'm good, man. Got a little bit of some allergies, but we're coasting, you know? So yeah. Guys, if we make it to 150 likes, we'll do a monster on the stream. So everybody hit the like button. Let's get some more people in here and make a monster. Jigglypuff, Magikarp, nice. Dragonite, that's a solid one. Would you consider hiring somebody to help you with brainstorming monsters? I'm considering hiring somebody to make to help me with making art and stuff, but not just for ideas. I think we got ideas covered. Did you switch to GameMaker? I've been in GameMaker for 4 years. Jope, Vink. Does liking/unliking help? I don't think so, Jeffrey. I appreciate the like though. I wouldn't do that. I think that's gonna mess up the algorithms. They're gonna be like, "Yo, what are you doing? What's going on with this YouTube chat? Get him out of here." So yeah, just hit the like button once, and we're good. You've tried Construct, Unity next. I've tried Unity. It's just not my favorite cup of tea, you know? Okay. I feel like Salamence is a pretty good one. I see a lot of Dragonite. I feel like Salamence is pretty good. Anyway, so yeah, now we have the other two orbs in. For now, like these are temporary because I'm not a huge fan of them. But yeah. Oh yeah, and then this one as well. We got to import the new sprite. Import from strip image. Blue black, baby. Blue black. I like the blue one. The blue one looks pretty solid. The other ones look like ass. So, but yeah, all of them will be redone. I'll do them in the FX engine that I was using to make them in the first place. What's your favorite video game? No idea. Rock Band. Can you add a burger, please? No, I can't. Etal? I can't do that, man. My favorite is Ivysaur, Ekans. Yeah, Salamence is really cool as well. Yeah. What is Borgar? Am I out of the loop? What's a Borgar? Oh, like a burger. Oh, okay. I'm an idiot. That's okay. We're gonna move on now. You guys hate me yet? Oh god. What do you think about Sprite versus Photoshop? Photoshop can take a backseat. So I actually, I don't know if you guys know, some of you may know, some of you may not, but I'm working on a pixel art course right now. And so I actually, like the first lecture is about talking about the different software and kind of like my thoughts on it. And so I actually talk about things like, Sprite compared to Photoshop and GIMP and Piskel. I don't know if there's one other one that I talked about. But yeah, I talk about a few different programs and I kind of explain, why I use Sprite in the first place and why I think it's superior from something like Photoshop. Again, this is just my opinion. I honestly think that, if you have a background in using something like Photoshop, I think it's totally fine to use something like that. But I'm going from the perspective of, you've never done pixel art, you've never touched Sprite, and you've never touched Photoshop, what would I recommend? Like 9 times out of 10, I would recommend Sprite. And the reason for that is because I personally don't think that things like GIMP and Photoshop are specifically made for pixel art. And so you can still use it, yes, but personally, I just find that it would just, you're going to have a better time using something like this because it is specifically made for pixel art. This was actually something from the game jam that we were working on. I entered the GMTK game jam with Pixel Pete and some of his other coworkers that were working on Dwarf. We we worked on the game, but unfortunately the files didn't go through. So yeah, there's no file, guys, and we can't submit it. I think he talked to Mark. He talked to Gamemaker's Toolkit, Mark Brown, and he told him like, yeah, like there's no way to add the files in once the game jam is finished. So we entered the game jam, but we don't have a game file. So, but yeah, that was just some art from it. So one of the pixel artists from Dwarf, he worked on the backgrounds and the ships and stuff, and I was working on like the UI elements. So like these stuff here. Anyway, what I really want to use these. I actually really like these. And I want to actually incorporate these into Monster Tribe. I might change them slightly because these are very like sci-fi element-y. But as you can see, I definitely did pull in like some stuff from Monster Tribe in the first place. And so I think I actually have a file here that shows, where's the HUD? Yeah, so I actually split the HUD up into all the different pieces. And so what I might actually do is, I might not do it today, because I don't think we have time today, but I might use these as our new profile images. So basically you would get something like this, and then let's find a monster. I just want to see if the sizing actually works. Let's go to monsters. So let's grab this guy, for example. These boxes are really small, so it might not work, but let's just try it. I'm gonna read chat in a sec. Sorry, guys. Little AFK from chat right now. Yeah, these boxes are pretty small, so I don't think it'll work. We might have to slightly change how it is, but let's just say, you know, we got something like this. Right? Actually, hold on. Let's put this up here. I'm gonna look at chat in a sec. Sorry guys, I'm distracted. But yeah, so these boxes are a little bit small, but imagine something kind of like this for the new boxes. I think it would look a lot better than our current system. How does our current system look? Oh, we don't have it here. Maybe I can show it on Steam page. Does the Steam page have it? I guess you could add it inside using coding. Yeah. I mean, we already have a system like that set up. So this is how the battles are currently set up. Which is fine. It doesn't look super nice. You know what I mean? Like, it looks okay, but it's nothing crazy. They're slightly updated from this. This is still a little bit outdated. We did update the UI to make it a little bit nicer, but yeah, I think something like this would actually be really cool. And then we could just like add the things underneath here. The little spheres or whatever, the little boxes for the what do you call it, for the status conditions, the monster status conditions. We could just like add them right down here, and they could just be like chilling underneath. So I'll definitely start working on something like this because I think that would be really cool, but not today. What do you guys think? Yes or no? You think that's better? I think that's better. Who's your favorite game dev YouTuber? That's getting into crazy territory. Those are my friends. I love my friends all the same. I'm kidding. I actually do pick favorites. Honestly, I think right now, like, just the person that I watch the most, the person I keep up with the most is Goodgis. And I know I'm biased because he's like my best friend online, but I do really I just really enjoy his content, and I do keep up with his content a lot. So I would say I think Goodgis. Am I biased? Maybe. But you know, it happens. Anyway, let's cross these all off the list. Actually, I can just delete this now. So we should be working on a monster, I guess. Gotta say Bargy so he doesn't jump you later. Nah. Bargy, I'm not, yeah, I don't know. Like, me and Bargy, we're tight. We're good. I'm just being honest, though. I do think that he is somebody that I follow with the most, as far as content goes. No hate to anybody else. There's a lot of developers that I watch, but yeah. Clement, what's going on, man? I always get you and Goodgis confused. Really? You got me and him confused? That's funny. Love Goodgis. Binge his content to get inspired before I program. Yeah, man. It's crazy. Bargy video. Hey, I just got here. What are you doing? So we worked on some stuff. We made some new monster orbs. For the game. And then, did we do anything else? I don't know. I can't remember. We added in the music, the background music to the game. So that's finally like working. But anyway, we're gonna probably do a monster now, I think. How would you recommend Godot? Would you recommend Godot? I don't know. I mean, I haven't used it yet, so I can't recommend something I've never used. But it does look very enticing. I'm excited to start using it. When's the next Monster Tribe devlog? Oh god, I've had too many of you guys pipe on me for that. When was the last time I released a devlog? I feel like not even that long ago. I think you guys are tripping. But yeah, the next video on my channel will be a Monster Tribe devlog. Well, let's see. I think you guys are tripping. What do we get for 150 likes? Well, we're supposed to do a monster at 150 likes, but I just want to make a monster now, to be honest. Yeah, so the last Monster Tribe devlog was this one, which was a month ago. It was like 3 to 4 weeks ago. So, okay. Alright, guys. I mean, technically, like, there was some Monster Tribe stuff in here, but there was no, like, actual, like, content dump. But yeah, the next devlog will be a Monster Tribe devlog, because this one, like, you know, it doesn't say Monster Tribe devlog, but this was definitely a Monster Tribe devlog. Same with like this one here, making an open world RPG was a huge mistake, and then this one here, I made a game inside of my game. But yeah, the YouTube channel's been flopping lately, but hopefully we can bring it back. These last 2 videos are not performing well at all, which is unfortunate because they're both sponsored videos, but, you know, nothing we can really do about it. So, it is what it is. We're almost at 20K, which is, like, so hype. I'm so excited. And I just want to say thank you, everybody, like, for watching the videos and, you know, being here in the live streams and stuff. It really, like, it means a lot to me. So, anyway, so this was the last monster that we made. This was, this is a monster that's from one of my friend's games. So, you know, his monster is actually in my game and my monster is in his game. So yeah, I worked on that and then I created a fusion for that. But we're going to create a new monster. So, let's see if I can find my phone. Let's take a second. Let's take a second just to, before we start, guys, shoot some questions in the live chat. Let's do a little Q&A section before we start working on a new monster. I'm going to go watch that now then. I love GTA with zombies. Yeah, no, I actually really like that video. I think it was very well done, very well edited, and I really like the game. There's actually people on the Discord. It's really cool, guys. So what I did is I created links in the description to join if you guys want to join. We're trying to hit 1,000 members today, so that would be hype if we could hit it today. Yeah, so we just created a new like a high score tab, and so you guys can actually just take a screenshot and post it. And so people have been playing the game, and yeah, so my high score is 1,159, and so far there's been one person that beat that, which was vmoose. Vmoose took a dub. I'm actually, hold on, let me pin this because this is the high score right now. So let me actually pin this. I forgot to do that, but yeah, he's got the high score. And then Not a Weasel was super close, 1,155. You were 4 points away from beating my score. Get chumped, man. Get chumped. So this is the current leaderboard. Thank you, Alpha, for doing that for us. But yeah. Anyway, let me just hold on. Who's in the Discord? Rebunky, welcome. Trick, iJazz, welcome to the Discord. GD Yee, welcome to the Discord, man. But yeah, so it's actually it's really cool. I've been having some fun with the game so far. Is there a link to the game? That's annoying. I really should have linked. Oh, I guess I did on the high scores tab. But yeah, so you guys can play the game if you want. And then we're just kind of like just low key, you know, keeping record of high scores and stuff. I might actually add to the game soon. So yeah, that'll be exciting. Some new people entered the game jam. Yeah, guys, we passed 250. Good job, everybody. We did it. We passed 250. We still got 5.5 days to get some people in there. I'm hoping that we can pass 300 people to join the jam before it starts. I'm excited to see what we come up with, and I'm really excited to make this video. But yeah, so all right, I'm gonna open up my chat now. I'm gonna see, did you guys ask me any questions? Let's see. I don't know what that name is. Akla, welcome to the Discord. And 123 ADSAD, 123 ADSAD, welcome, man. It's an honor. It's an honor, guys. We're super close. We're super close to 1,000 members. How many members are we at now? Member count, baby. 998. Oh my god, we actually need 2 people to join the Discord and we'll make it to 1,000. After the stream, I'll 100% make. Who's number 1,000? That's insane. Tom just joined. Clara Anna just joined the Discord for the 1,000th member. Task, welcome. Pugni, welcome. Amused, welcome. Yo, we did it. I'm not going to make the announcement now because I don't want to do it on stream. Actually, maybe I will do it on stream. Summer, welcome. Season Noe. I don't know how to say that name. Summer, welcome. Da Cow. Oh my god, this is hype. We did it. Yo, we did it. Oh my god. Yo, it's hype. Okay, let me make a quick announcement. Actually, no, I'm not gonna make the announcement because I'm gonna probably add something. Screw it. Okay, we gotta throw in some nice emojis here. So we need the love emoji. If you guys are new to the Discord, you don't know about the sick emojis. I've been adding a lot of new Discord emojis recently. And yeah. What's the explode one? Is it? Yeah, explode. That's so hype. Updates coming soon. Boom, baby. You're gonna mention 300 plus people. Hello? That should say 1,000. What the hell? Yo, thank you everybody for joining. I appreciate it. I'll get back to the stream now. I promise. I faded you guys out for a little bit. Hold on. Let me edit message. Why does it say 300 plus members? Hello? Boom. We did it. We did it, everybody. 1,000 plus members on the Discord server. That's so hype. I'm just going to throw a yay. That's so hype. All right, who else joined? And then I'll get back to the stream. Kip team, welcome. Meet 1234 Luxury Gaming. Guys, that's insane. Oh my god. Give him $1,000. Yes, please. That's kind of hype. 1K. Woo. So wait, actually, how many members are we at now? I'm just gonna do a final member count check. 1,009. That's insane. That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna close it down now. I love you guys. Hello, Reece. Can't stay long. Gotta get ready for work. No worries, man. Welcome. Rescue Squad cult. OMG, hype, 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 hype. Yeah, that's so sick. Hype train. Yeah, guys, everybody spam hype in the chat. Hype in the chat. Jeffrey, yo, Reece, do you want to join my team for the Boundless Game Jam? Unfortunately, I may or may not be entering myself with my own team. Unfortunately. Maybe. Possibly. Who knows? You didn't hear it from me. You didn't hear it from me. We'll be anonymous, though, so we won't get an auto win. And obviously, if we do end up getting in top 5, we're just going to give the prize to the number 6. So, like, for example, if we hit, like, let's say we get place number 4 in the game jam, I'm not going to take my own prize. I'm not going to take my own money. So we're just going to give it to the number 6 spot. Like, it would just, like, move down the list. So 4 would go to 5, 5 would go to the 6th, etc. Anyway, I missed a lot of questions here. Which is your favorite monster? Let me open up the bestiary quick. I'll show you guys. What's my favorite monster? What's your favorite monster? It's like really hard to actually find, and I do apologize for that. We'll be putting it on our website soon so that everyone can just like access it very quickly and easily. But right now it's kind of temporary, so it's a little bootleg. But if we go to Monster Tribe Talk, it should be the last pinned message. Yeah, right here. View the bestiary here. So you click that button and it'll take you to the Dropbox and you can actually view the bestiary. This is the first 20 monsters. We do have, I think, 42 monsters in total so far. So obviously it's only the first half, but yeah, I think my favorite monster, honestly, it's got to be either Albac. He's pretty cool design, or I really like Lemest as well. This one, I think it's one of those two, at least in this set, this first 20 set. I think those are my favorite two, but maybe the shark guy. The shark guy might be my favorite in set number 2. This guy, I think he's very well done, very well drawn, I should say. What genre is Monster Tribe? It's an open world RPG monster taming game. That's the, I guess that's the genre. I don't know. Have you always known how to draw, or did you teach yourself? I am really not good at drawing. I've not known how to draw at all, like ever. So getting into pixel art was really cool because it's an art form that you can develop over time, I think. So yeah, you know. All right, we're good on the hype spam. We're good on the hype spam, guys. I appreciate it. Stompwart is my favorite. Stowport, yeah, everybody likes Stowport. This guy is definitely a fan favorite for sure. But yeah. Will you have an anonymous name then? Yes, we will enter anonymously. If we do enter the game jam, we'll enter anonymously. Okay, let's make a monster, guys. So I actually have to pull up. Hold up. I got to pull up a Google form thing. So the monsters are called Atean in our game. So there's a few here that my brother wrote up. So we're going to read this together. I haven't read any of these. So yeah, what do you use for pixel art? I wonder, man. I wonder. If that was a legit question though, I do use Sprite. I feel like I say it a lot. So I'm not sure if that's a, you know, an actual question, if you're just making fun of me. Anyway, so we got a few monsters here. I'm going to try to read these quickly. Like, so monkey with telepathic abilities. Maybe combine the idea of Oni and their ability to control storms. So yeah, I mean, you guys can read these if you want. I'm just going to kind of quickly skim through. Monkey-like appearance, but with horns and fangs and wielding a club-like tail. So his tail is his club. That's kind of cool. Red color scheme. What's Oni? What is that? Is that like a thing? Oh, this thing. Oh, God. So, like... Right. It's like a demon thing. Right? Okay, so this, I guess this guy's a very like weather controlling monster, which I think is cool because weather in our game is very important. It can turn the tide of battle a lot. So I think that would be interesting, having like all different weather conditions for this guy. Slightly samurai inspired look for the body, maybe some slightly armored looking body parts. I'm imagining this almost like an Infernape kind of type thing. Monkey, yeah, everybody wants the monkey. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Guys, don't spam. I see you. Cast form, yeah. Potato, I'm sorry. I gotta put you on timeout quickly. Only if you keep going. But I'm not gonna put you on timeout. But just don't spam. Yeah. Everybody wants a monkey. Okay, guys. Okay. All right. But yeah, so there's all the information, but we're gonna go down. So, goat worm hybrid. Oh, good God. Fire ranger. What type is this guy? Mystic sorcerer. That's actually really cool. So this guy's a fire ranger. Goat worm hybrid. Bright green scales. Goat-like head. 2 goat legs. And a tail as the rest of its body with massive claw-tipped wings. All right, that could be that's a hard design. Good God. Sounds not the goat dragon. The goat dragon. They want the goat dragon. This is spoilers, stop. Yo, I got to pick one. I got to pick one. There's only 4. So don't worry. There's only 4 monsters here that I'm going over out of what? The 60 or 70 in the game. So, yeah. Okay, Air Guardian. Tegu Shrine Keeper. I don't know what a Tegu is. Tengu. What's a Tengu? Whoops. Not my email. We don't want to go to the email. Tengu. Okay, so that's another like one of the Japanese like yokai monster things. Human type Tengu mixed with an imp-like appearance and a long hanging tongue. Purple or red and black color scheme. Okay, so this one's a little bit more humanoid, like a shrine keeper. Air guardian. Okay, that's interesting. I'm not gonna obviously read through all of this right now. You guys can if you want, but I want to just actually start on something. So I'm just trying to get the general base idea, and then we'll pick one, and then yeah. Thermal vent crab, dark gray and white color scheme. Thermal vents mixed with Yeti crabs as the design inspiration. So I don't want to do this one right now because we just made a crab. The last monster we made was a crab. So I don't want to make this right now. If you guys remember that, shout outs to you guys. Where was the last monster we made? It was this guy. This guy. Crab, scorpion thing. I think his name is Theranid, if I remember correctly. Okay. Let me close Discord. Okay, so are we... I don't know. I think we're going with one of the first two. So do you guys want monkey or do you want goat, dragon thing? So do you want donkey, dragon, babies from Shrek? Or do you want a mystic monkey that controls the weather and is God? All right, let's see. No spamming. Only one entry. Everybody wants the monkey though. Jesus Christ. I see a few goat dragons, but everybody wants a monkey. Guys, I feel like this is not going to be something I could do on stream. I suck at making monsters on stream. Okay, but everybody wants a monkey. All right, okay. All right, so let's read it all together so that we have a full idea of what's going on. So red light color scheme, slightly samurai inspired look for the body, maybe some slightly armored looking body parts. So again, basically we're creating an infernape that controls the weather with a club tail. I think that's cool. Okay, wait. So wielding a club-like tail. So like his tail will like be like, he'll hold his tail basically, which I think would be interesting. They like to play tricks on other Atean, which are the monsters in the game, causing trouble wherever they go. In battle, the Satoni is actually able to influence their tamer into choosing actions that it would like to perform. That's okay. That's scary. Rather than taking your orders, all while making you think it is doing your bidding. Notoriously difficult to obtain the DNA, the DNA of, as it requires catching this telepathic beast off guard to obtain it. Guys, my voice is going really bad. A feat considered near impossible. So basically, they're just dickheads. Basically, they like to do their own thing, and they like to use their telepathy to influence people's decision-making things. A creature that will change the weather based on its mood and the moods of the creatures around it. It can learn all 6 weather conditions, which are obviously the 6 elements in the game. Okay, let me get your feedback, guys. But what's an Oni? I don't know what an Oni is. Is that just a monster in general, or is that a specific thing? Like, is this? I definitely know the mask. Like, I understand the mask idea. I'll just look up Oni mask and see if we can get a good representation. I think that's pretty good. Honestly, like this. So what I do see is I see a few of them have this kind of like, I really like this color scheme. I'm not going to lie to you. I think this is a cool color scheme. Having a lot of like red accents being white, I think that's actually really interesting. The only thing that scares me is doing a monkey is that monkeys have fur, and I'm not good at making fur. Somebody said something. Somebody said something about orbs. I was actually gonna say the same thing. Where was that? Make a mixture of a monkey with an imp. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Like an imp monkey with like. Look at this badass. Look at this guy. Look at this dude. Yeah, I think this is fine. And then I guess I'll just look up a monkey. I feel like honestly I'm gonna look up Infernate because I think the body type would be pretty similar to something like this. Ish. So yeah, I think this will be interesting. I don't know if we're going to do a red color scheme or a white color scheme, but we'll see. Make monkey, but nature powers. It resembles gorilla. Yeah. Okay, so how do we start this off? I think what we do first is we just get basic, like, body proportions. So we'll start with the feet. And then some kind of tail. I feel like the tail would kind of be like here and would start to like come around. And I think this actually might need to be lower. Hold on. I'm trying to think of the stance. So let's do the actual body first. So let's say head here. Oh God. I think I want it to be like more of like a leaned over position, like shoulders forward, back kind of bent. So hold on, let's just play around with a few different colors here. Hold on, guys. I promise. I promise. I promise we'll get there. We'll get there eventually. Just give me a sec. Holy shit, this is looking crazy ugly right now. But yeah, so if we're gonna have like an arch back here, and the arms would kind of come forward, right? Let me think about this real quick. Hold on, let's link it. Honestly, hold on. I'm just gonna grab this and use this as a reference. Okay, let me get rid of this arm. Actually, you know what? I think we do the body last. I think we position all of the actual like arm pieces first, and then we do the body. So we have like shoulder here. Like that. And then the other shoulder maybe like here. Like that. Monkey breakdance? Absolutely not. Okay, but hold on. There's some... I don't like the proportions. So let's actually... It's a very wide stance. So extremely wide stance. But I think it'll work. So let's just connect this for now. And then we can work on the specifics. Okay. Guys, I'm awful at making monsters on stream, so that's just a little FYI. He needs the booty. Don't forget the booty. Oh my god. No booty for this guy. At least no like big poppin' booty. I don't think. Maybe. Who knows? I think I want this arm actually like angled forward, which is why I'm moving it closer to the body. This arm I feel like is slightly weird as well. Yeah, this arm needs to be positioned a little bit more out, I think. Okay, let's do something like this. Nose is also important. Monkey breakdance. Guys, let's get to 150 likes. We're 3 away. If the club has orbs that control the weather, that would actually be cool, yeah. Yeah, I like that idea. Gotta move this whole guy up one. So let's do the body now. I think I gotta do this in a different color. Or maybe we can just do it on a separate layer. Oh god. So we got a little like pelvis. And then we got to create the shoulder. We got to see what's going on here. So I think this whole thing needs to move over. That's decent, but maybe then we need to move this back a little bit so we have more space for the actual tail. We're gonna keep the torso very small for now, just so we can actually see what's going on. And then hold on, let me just try to. I'm gonna merge these together, these layers down. Maybe an orb necklace kind of thing. Yeah, let's see. First, we're gonna do the anatomy first, see what's going on there. And then yeah, I'll definitely get into figuring out some other details. This looks very humanoid, which I think is actually fine. I think that's actually perfectly okay. I'm just trying to find the form. Okay, so let's start coloring in our monster here. Guys, this is probably going to take me a long time. No promises for completing this on today's stream. No promises. But for now, let's just stick some eyes on here. Just so we can get like a general kind of like shape of what we're doing. Oh, there we go. There are the ears. There are the ears. There are the ears. Maybe I push this whole thing forward one. That looks way better to me already. The head looks a bit off, does it? Maybe we can make the neck a little bit smaller. I'll have to look up what a monkey face looks like, but I think this is actually fine. I think this is fine. Monkey playing guitar? No. No monkey playing guitar. No monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, so let's do the tail. So this is going to be a big tail, but I think it should come behind the leg and then come forward. So I'm definitely going to do this on a separate layer. 100%. The tail should be on a separate layer. Yes, it's better now. Yeah, I think so too. I think that the face is fine. But let's just say this kind of like curves forward. We want this to connect with the hand here. And then it should come right onto the other hand as well. It should kind of like... Hold up. This is super bootleg right now, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually make this tail extremely skinny where it actually comes out of the body, and then we're going to like fatten it out near the face. So I think we might need to fix the posing on the monkey arms in order for this to work correctly. But honestly, like, there's going to be a lot of changes throughout this design. So don't worry about it right now. But we'll definitely come back to this. I just want to make sure that I'm getting this hand here. There, like that. This hand should be like this, I think. And then the other hand, I think, needs to be pushed back. It's actually really annoying doing this on 2 separate layers, but I want to make sure that we're keeping the monster intact. So I'm almost thinking that the club kind of like goes behind, like he's like resting his head on the club. Yeah, this is extremely difficult. But we'll figure it out. Reece, the monster needs a booty. If there's no booty, it's not a monkey. Oh my god. We'll see what we can do, okay? We'll see what we can do. Yeah, this is very temporary right now, guys. Very temporary. For the design. Okay, so he needs some fangs and some horns. So what were we doing again? Hold on, let me look back at the reference. So we're gonna do red eyes with some black on the lining, and then some red horns and some maybe red fangs. We'll see. I don't know if we can fit in the fangs in the design, to be honest. We'll see. Some things you can't do in a limited file size, but we'll definitely try. So we either do them like this or like this. I think this way definitely looks more menacing, to be honest. Do we need an undertone? I think the undertone kind of kills it. Yeah. Okay, what does a monkey face look like? Is it holding its tail? Yes, it is. Is there a penguin monster yet? I don't think so. Monkeys are actually the ugliest goddamn things. At least some of them. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, come on, man. First of all, who is your barber? Buddy needs to get shot down in the streets because what's he doing? And, like, come on. Like, why are you looking like that, bro? That's silly. Okay, I think this is a good reference. So, I guess we need like a longer, like stout, right? Oh my god, this is so annoying. Doing this on 2 different layers. I'm just gonna combine them down. There we go. I think that's better because now we have like a little bit of like a stouted face. Ugly ass monkeys, man. Reece, what's your favorite monkey species? Mine's chimpanzee. Honestly, I don't know. Guys, do you think I can box out an orangutan though? Because I was having this conversation a little while ago, and I think I can do it. I think I can box out an orangutan. That's just me though. Are they stronger? 100%, but I got a big brain here. So I think I'd cook him. I think I'd cook the orangutan. I like monkeys. I am a monkey. Nice. Reece out here roasting monkeys. Wait until monkeys roast you. Yo, I want to see them try, yo. Yo, there's some orangutan boxing matches going on. Yo, like these guys are crazy, but I don't know, guys. I think I can take him. Look at this. Look at this guy. It's actually nuts. Like their arms are so long. It's actually disgusting. Like, I don't think it's gonna play. I think I'm using too much bandwidth on this god, like running the stream. But let's try. Let's try. Like their arms are so long, man. Their arms are so long. Anyway, they're just kind of stupid. Like I feel like if I took one by surprise, I don't know. I think it's possible. Okay. All right, back to reality. Guys, vote in chat. Can I beat up an orangutan? If the gloves are on, me versus orangutan, who's winning the fight? Cause like I don't know, I'm just saying. They definitely got some strong limbs. But we got a big muscle up here. You know? No monkey kill you? I don't know, we'll see. Okay. Let's get back to doing whatever this is. This looks like a dragon now. You know? Kind of looks like a dragon. Like I feel like the fangs aren't gonna work. Because we don't have the the space for it. I don't think we have the space for the fangs. Personally. Let's try to make some horns though. This is confusing me. Where to put the horns? The horns are confusing me. Oh god. Is he holding a guitar? He's not. He's not holding a guitar. Oh my god, guys. Way to just like destroy my entire being. Okay, I think we got to move this foot forward a little bit. We got the leg popping. Okay, there we go. I think the tail should maybe extend more out, actually. So let's actually get this tail to kind of come out so that we can see like it's really skinny where it starts, and then it morphs into the big club thing. And then I'm gonna change the angle on this as well. So we're not gonna have it interfering with the face. I'm gonna have it more. We're gonna have the hand more like flat, and then have this just come forward. It looks like a bazooka right now. It's all right. We can fix it in post. But yes, this does look like a bazooka. I don't think the monkey ears are like that. Are they not? I feel like the ears are fine. Because it's supposed to be like impish, like, right? So I feel like combining those two, like imps and a monkey, I feel like this is pretty tight. I might be wrong, but I feel like this makes sense. You know what I mean? Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Could be. Also, guys, just want to say, if you're new here, we do this stuff a lot. I've taken a little bit of a hiatus from doing Monster Tribe development, but you know, we do this a lot. So you guys make sure to subscribe. Everybody that's new, I would appreciate it a lot. And it's always nice to see new faces. So. Okay, so we need this to be more straight on, I think. Okay. So, trying to get his hand back in here. But yeah, so it's again, it's monkey-esque, but again, like they're their own monsters, right? So it's not specifically just an animal. Something with this is I don't like at all. So I think I'm just gonna delete this whole thing right here. Something about this arm I'm not liking. So we'll fix the arm later, but what do we do with the hands? They're supposed to be like, I guess like we could do like the samurai, we could do like samurai gloves almost. How would I do that? There we go. We have the gloves ready to go. So I think I'm kind of YOLOing this right now, but I think we could just like stick some like platings on this. It's been a while since I've done a monster, so we're a little bit out of practice here. Honestly though, like I'm kind of vibing with that. And then let's just use the darker color to fill in some. Do some shading on this a little bit. Okay, So I like the idea of like maybe like the hands having these gauntlet things. Maybe we could actually have the what do you call it? The actual hands come out of the gauntlets, maybe. But in order to do that, we need to have different colors. Should we paint his nails? Do we like this, guys? Do we like this? I know how to make samurai gloves. Maybe I should look it up. Neck seems weird. Yeah, the neck's a little weird. Maybe we could extend it a bit. It's also just like it's hard to see without the shading. So maybe let's start adding in some highlights here. I'm not dead set on keeping this the same color. I might actually change the color of the mouthpiece. I'm not 100% sure. We could drop it. It definitely makes it look less monkey-like, but it definitely makes it more like demon-like almost. If we actually just like drop this entire jaw down one. We give him a goatee. We're getting a little ahead of ourselves here. I think that's actually good. I think that's pretty decent. So yeah. I don't think it needs any shading. Maybe just like right there. It looks slightly weird, the cutoff here, but I think when I do this, I guess that's fine. I don't know. The design's going to be tweaked constantly, but you're so good at this. Yes, we like this. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to like constantly change how I actually make monsters and stuff, because I don't want to get stuck. You know what I mean? I don't want to get stuck. So I'm always just trying to change up how I actually make my monsters. Okay, so let's do something like that, and then we add in the appendages here. Oh god, I have no idea how to do this one. This arm's a little wonky. Oh my god. I don't know what to do. Damn it. That is no good. That is no good. Okay, I guess we leave it like this for now. This is obviously really not good, but it gets the point across, so I can revisit it later and fix it. Okay, let's remove some of the shading. I think maybe we just don't see some of the hands here. So let me redo the hands. I think it starts here, and then maybe one kind of comes here. No. I don't know how to do these hands. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I have literally no idea what I'm doing. That looks really silly. $169 likes. Nice. Nice. Have you considered increasing the canvas size for your monsters? I have, but I like working in the smaller size. I like it. Okay, let's see. Can we add some detail to this? Should probably use the preview tab, eh? Surprised you guys weren't yelling at me today for not using the preview tab. Court Rhineland, what's going on? Just leave the fingers, I guess? Yeah, like I have no idea what to do with these stupid fingers. But I can't leave them. It's just such a weird perspective. Like, I feel like that's the best I've got right now. But, like, that looks so stupid. You know? Okay, so what do we... Okay, let's fix this. Let's give him a nice little arm here. So, that definitely looks way better. I just dropped the arm down a bit. I think this looks better for sure. And then we just got to figure out how to not have it so, like, smooth. I don't like this at all. But maybe we can fix that by just giving him some armor plating. Not gonna lie, I think this guy's gonna be pretty badass. So yeah, let's just throw him some armored plating on the shoulders. You know what I mean? Make the fingers go like plus, etc. I have no idea what that means. I have no idea what that means, man. And I can't give him these long ass dingy fingers, you know what I mean? I don't know what to do with the fingers. These are definitely going to be the end of me. These are the end of my career. These stupid fingers. Stupid fingers. It will cause my end. I can almost guarantee you that. Try making the hand go under the tail when he holds it. Oh, right. I mean, I guess... God. I'm just going to leave it for now. Because it's like he's holding it with the one. Wait, hold on. I think this finger should actually be behind. So he's kind of grasping it from both sides on this one. And then this one, he's kind of like holding it like under the trunk. So yeah, I'll leave it for now though. It's just like, it's very, very frustrating to look at that. Cosmic Nobab. Dude, what's going on, man? Sup, Reece, how many monsters do you want to include in Monster Tribe? Looking good so far. Thanks, man. Honestly, I don't really know. I think about 60. About 60 monsters, I would say. Plus fusions, you're looking at like 200 total different designs. So okay. Hold up. All right, this isn't looking too bad. This isn't looking too bad. But now I'm just trying to figure out where the shading on this goes. So Court Rhineland, subscribe. Yes, guys, everybody subscribe. That's a pretty good scope. Thanks, man. Yeah, pretty decent scope. Okay. How would I shade this body? Okay, we definitely need a darker color in here as well. So let's find, where's the darker shade? We need to use a darker shade. For sure. I don't know where, but we definitely need some kind of darker. Maybe where the face kind of like meets the neck. Like that. Or is that kind of crazy? Is that crazy? Oh my god. And then I don't know where to cut this off too. This bottom Hammond is just giving me a lot of trouble, to be honest. Okay, just saw you in the Let's Talk Games Direct. The game looked really cool. Great going. Thanks, man. Yeah, I didn't realize that was out today. I'll definitely check it out after the stream. For sure. I feel like it would also solve the awkward finger look. Wait, what's going on? You guys trying to help me with the... I think you should add details to the gun. Yes. Well, it's not a gun. It's a... it's like a bat almost. Like a club. Maybe the club needs to still be further scoped in here. There's just not enough space for it, really. But maybe it could just be brought in right here where that handle is. Gonna have to see. I think we actually just run a loincloth across here. That might actually be a good idea. Are we liking the idea of like a loincloth? Because I feel like it would make my life easier, but also I think it would actually add to the design a little bit. What software are you using? I use Aseprite. We started to work on the animation for this monster. The monsters actually get procedurally animated through coding. So I actually don't make the animations. Try not to have the whole hand on this side of the tail. Yeah. Which one? This one? You guys talking about this one? Let me remove it. I'll just have it peer right here and kind of like that. I think this is a better placement. I think I can do better for the hands doing something like this. Oh, that's like extremely long. Okay. Okay. I think this definitely helps the look of the club. But what if we bring this hand down? Is that better? Or is that just silly? Oh god, this is so annoying. Like if it was giving it a hug. Thanks, man. Hi, Gio. What's going on, man? Bolas. I don't think anybody's ever called me that. Do you sometimes doodle monster designs on paper before you sprite them? Sometimes, but honestly not. For this specific project, not really. A lot of them I just do kind of on the fly. This one is from an idea that my brother had. So this one's a little bit more, I guess, planned. This one's a little bit more planned, I guess. Okay, so before we move on, I think I want to actually outline our sprite. Let's give it an outline. So we don't have too much space to work with here. I want to extend the club out slightly though. I just need it to hit the edge. And then maybe we can actually outline the club. I think if we outline the club, it'll make life a lot easier. Technically, this wouldn't be outlined, but I think I'm going to outline it anyway. This friggin' finger, man. Okay, we're gonna keep fixing this and bring it lower and lower. So I think that's like the middle finger right there. Sorry guys, I'm super tired today. What is the name of the monkey? What is his name? Oh, I closed the tab. Hold on, let me open up the tab. I got you, man. I got you. What's the name of the monkey? His name is Satoni. Satoni is the name of the monkey. So his legs are definitely really thick, so I think we gotta tone those down a little bit. Look at these thunder thighs. This guy's a goddamn monster. Thunder thighs. Okay. Yeah, so we got some tail action going in behind here. And then... Okay. I think this is fine. So let's... Shatoni would sound more Japanese. Shatoni. We'll see. I'll write it down as a suggestion, not a suggestion. Suggestion. Shatoni. Blazemations, how you doing, man? How are you doing? Okay. Let's keep going. It's friggin' finger. Something else. Man, if somebody could draw this finger for me, it would make my life so much easier. Like, this is literally it. This is how I go insane. Is just trying to fix this. It's got to be the toughest thing I've ever done in my life. Okay. We can work on the club for now. I think we could just work on the club. Maybe the hands get outlined as well. Let's see if that helps distinguish it a little bit more. It does a little bit. Yeah, it does a little bit. Bro, is the sprite going to be big? Because if it isn't, people aren't going to notice the finger. Yeah, I wanna do it properly. I'm sure it's not gonna matter too much, but man, you'll see the sprite like this, I think. Okay. Let's not show any of the white on the backhand. Let's do it more like this. Okay. Okay, we're getting a little bit closer here. A little bit closer. Maybe we need to extend this out a little bit. There's too much patternizing in here, so I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Because there's just too much going on. Okay. Let's start shading this. My God. I can't let it go. I can't let it go. You know what I mean? Like, it's just... Oh, God. It's pissing me off. Okay. Let's leave it. Hello again. Welcome, man. Hey, remember me? I donated a few dollars once. Yeah, Nate Gecko, I do remember you. The best thing is always to do a good job. Yes, I agree. Guys, let's get to 200 likes. We're actually really close now. 185. We're close. All right, let's move on. Start working on this robe piece. It's definitely going to look like a skirt. But I'll do my best to make it not look like a skirt. Looks like a jester, like, cloth or something. That's what it looks like. How do I deal with 300 moths in my room? Oh my God, I would actually cry. We're 10 likes away. Do you have any tips for someone that wants to be good at pixel art? Honestly, nothing that's not super generic right now. It's hard to think right now. Like I hate giving people stupid answers like practice or, you know. I would just say keep experimenting, try different art styles. Like look at your favorite pixel artists and kind of like try to mimic some of those styles when you're first starting out. I think it's very important to do something like that. And then, you know, once you start to understand it a little bit more, then you can start to practice like getting your own style and getting a, you know, a unique flair. But when you're starting out, yeah, just focus on, oh God, this looks so bad. Okay, what do we do with this? What do we do with this? How far are you with your RPG? Which engine do you use? Sorry for the FAQ things. No, it's all good, man. The swag man, welcome. Dude, I am working in GameMaker Studios 2, and we are about just over halfway, I think, at this point. A little bit more than halfway. Game will be released either Q1 or Q2, 2022. So just over halfway at this point. Do I outline this? I don't think so. I don't think I need to outline this, but let's just see. I feel like I don't necessarily need to. Let's go back. But yeah, so tips for on pixel art. Again, I mean, soon I will be releasing a course, so you'll get my honest input on that topic soon. But yeah, I would just say, you know, like look at some YouTube tutorials and like try to learn from others. And yeah, that's what I got right now. Oof, don't like that. Okay, loincloth. It's coming. It's coming. Trying to think of how I want to do these shoes, or not shoes, but I guess these are kind of shoes at this point. I'm gonna test with a few different looks. Okay, let's move this in. Hold up, let's go back. This leg is massive. I just don't know which side to pull from. I think maybe this side. Just looks slightly off. Okay, where's the kneecap? Boom, baby. We're in business. We are in business. Damn. This is difficult. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you guys. This monster is really difficult. From what I know, you improve in art if you do it a lot. Push for contrast and get a lot of feedback. At least that's how I work. Yes. No, yeah, for sure, man. Awesome. Are you a solo dev or do you have a team? I have a team. I have a composer, a coder, myself. Just kind of does a little bit of everything. Mainly I do art though. It's my main focus on the project. Okay, let's make this this club. All right, let's get to it. So I think we have a nice like face here on the club. And then I think we want to just like ring it out. Maybe that's not a good place to do it. Trying to create like depth in this thing a little bit. Okay, something like that is decent, and then we can go in here with another layer or another color. To further expand this idea a little bit. I think that's like that's too straight on. Let's do it like that. Honestly though, actually this Okay. The spread is really good, by the way. Ah, man, I don't know. I'm not feeling it too much. You still streaming? Yes. Oh, God. I'm definitely going to be ending soon. Guys, let's try to get to 200 likes, though, before we leave. Before we leave here today. Yeah, this is nuts. I feel like a really big thing is maybe this cloth just needs to be toned down. I think the cloth needs to be toned down. So let's actually go in and fix this a little bit. I'm not the fan of this like jester nonsense. So let's get rid of all of the extra pizzazz. Still a bit too much for me. But I think that's at least a little bit better. Let's get it done. Tip of the bat should probably start a little further down. You think so? Like bring it out more? Let's see if you're onto something here. You mean like that? My only thing is then it gets cut off by the hand. I'm so tired. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish this thing. I'm so tired. Honestly, I think this is fine. I think this is fine. Also, maybe we can use different colors for this. Because I think it's just like way too bright. Is that better? I think so. I think this is nicer at least. Can you guys tell? Can you tell how tired I am? My God. There we go. I feel like I've been working on this forever. Like my entire existence has just been leading up to making this monkey monster. God King of Nerds, what's going on, man? Tip of the bat should probably start a little further down. Oh, right. You're saying like going the other way? Yeah. I'm thinking of like cutting it off before it actually like hits the I need a darker color, but I don't want it to be like black, you know what I mean? I don't want it to be like black, but I think I want to use like a darker outside color. Okay. I think that's better. Honestly, I think it's looking really good. Thank you, man. Takes me every time. That's me every time I get on out of my comfort zone in drawing. It takes me ages. Yeah. 100%. Like this is something. This is tough. This is tough. I'm now just trying to go in and add some of this darker color. If necessary. Which I feel like in most places it isn't necessary. Turned out so good. Thank you. Thank you, man. See if we can add this darker color to like the underside of the mouth here. Or maybe even like under the nostrils. That I like. This. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Is it needed? Not necessarily, but I think it's fine. Then we're just gonna try some last minute touches. I know the monster's not done, but it's been a long stream and I definitely need a break. I would like to do some more stuff, like add some kind of like gems onto this bat, like this bat thing. I think it'd be cool to have like, you know, some gem pieces on this. But as of right now, I don't know. We'll try it out though. Maybe we could skip on every second one. Or maybe we can just do one right here. And then one on the front end. Let's do one big one right here. Definitely doesn't look like it's like popping out anywhere, which is my only concern. Like it doesn't look like it's like popping out. That makes it a little bit better. Adding in that extra highlight color makes it look a little bit better. But yeah, I don't know. Let's do one gemmy thing over here and maybe one over here. Honestly, I think that these ones would be better just like this. And then we can do every second one. We can kind of have them like highlighted. Dope. 199 likes. Who's going to be the 200? Oh, we did it. Guys, we did it. 200 likes. That's such a... I love when we hit 200 likes because that's like a really... It's a tough one. It's a tough one. So yeah, I appreciate it, guys. This is the first Monster Tribe stream in a while, so I'm glad that we could, you know, hit 200. Have a good time, hopefully. Trying to see if maybe I can add some darkness. In here. Boom. It's getting somewhere at least. It's not perfect. I feel like we're probably going to have to change this arm a little bit as well. But it's getting somewhere. Okay. I think that's where we end it. So it's obviously not finished, but I think we're getting closer. To what we want it to be, you know? We're getting closer. And, you know, we'll leave it at that. Yeah, I'm not too sure about these gems. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not dead set on this. But it's getting somewhere. Okay. You can't stop, can you? I can. I can. So yeah, it's not complete, but it's getting there, and I think it will be a cool design when it's finished. It's just like, it's going to take a lot of reiterating and fixing, and I just don't necessarily want to do that on stream forever. So, oh, actually, I kind of like that. Kind of like having that second eye there, like having that pop out a little bit. I know it changes the look of it a little bit, but it's interesting. It makes it have a little bit more of like an action look, stare almost, like if it's actually like looking at something. So that's interesting. Boom. Well, thank you everybody, guys. You know, before we leave, I just want to say, you know, thank you. Appreciate everybody being here. And yeah, if you want to join the Boundless Game Jam, it's happening in 5 days. 5 days. 5.5 days. So if you guys want to join, boom, links right here. Obviously, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here. And join the Discord, because we just hit 1,000 members today. Let's do a member check real quick. We just hit 1,000 members, which is super crazy awesome. Let's do a members check. Member count 1,011, which is crazy. So thank you everybody for being here. I appreciate it. I'll finish this at some point. It's getting somewhere, but it's not fully there yet. So I'll just have to keep working on it, working away. And hopefully eventually we can have something that works. But I had a great time. I hope you guys had some fun as well. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. We'll catch up again. I'll stream probably later this, actually no, not this week. I'm actually leaving for a little while. So I might stream Saturday. If not, I'll see you guys next Monday. And yeah, next video will be a Monster Tribe devlog. So you guys will see a lot more progress on the game, which I'm very excited about. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because it's going to be a good one. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Thanks for coming out.